Hello viewers, welcome to this platform and welcome to a brand new month. And as a matter of fact, today is 1st of November 2023. This is going to be a very fantastic month, I must say. Alright, so from here at the stables of the Elegant Empire Music and Films, we've got good news for you. And guess what? We are all set to announce the grand winners for the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 2 and the MOVIESTAR Quest Season 1. Alright, so this is what this video is all about, for us to unleash our grand winners. And I know you want to stick around and watch this video to the end so you can get one or two things and prepare yourself for the 3rd edition of AFROMUSIC Talent Show, which is of course coming up on the 1st of December 2023, and also the Season 2 of the MOVIESTAR Quest. Just in case you missed this one, the both competition is actually coming up again on the 1st of December. That is the Season 3 for the AFROMUSIC and the Season 2 for the MOVIESTAR Quest. So stick around till the end of this video because I'm gonna blow your bubbles. I know some of you during the competition you've got some very favorite contestants, but what if your very favorite contestant is not the winner? So guys, I know your ears are itching right now to hear who actually won in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show and also who won in the MOVIESTAR Quest. Alright, just before I go ahead to say and unveil the winner, I just have a few words to tell you. Alright, so pay attention to these few words and I am sure it's going to leave you better than the way you were before. Alright, the first thing I have to tell you today is that life is not fair and it will never be fair. I know you're wondering, why am I saying that? Yes, if you didn't already know that life is not fair, know it right now, that life is not fair and it will never be fair. So living with this consciousness will help you to be aware and not be too surprised at the things that happen in this life we are living in. Life will never give you what you deserve, but what you fight for. I didn't say work for, I said fight for. You need a lot of courage and strength to be able to live the kind of life you have always wanted. Otherwise, you are going to be pushed to the other side of life and only the strong will always survive. This life is a war zone, so you have to be strong and be ready to fight yourself to the top because life will never give you what you deserve. Some of you are so talented and very creative people and you feel like success should just come to you on a platter, but I'm sorry to blow your bubbles, friends, because life will not give you what you deserve but what you fight for. That's why in life today, a lot of people who are not even as good as we are making it, are succeeding. But some of us that are so good are still lacking behind because we are not ready to fight and succeed. This life, you have to be ready to fight and succeed. Keep on dreaming. Never, ever quit your dreams. Don't ever give up on your dreams. Keep on dreaming. One day, you will achieve all of your dreams in this life. The only failure in life is when you give up. Some of you that have been contestants in this competition and you have not made it to become the winner today, that is not failure. Do you know that? You have not failed. The day you are going to fail is the day you are going to give up on yourself. The day you will stop doing what you have to do for yourself. That is the day you are going to fail. In life generally, and in this competition is a race. Life also is a race. And like I said before, it's only the strong that will take the victory. This life is a race. This competition is a race. The AFROMUSIC Talent Show is a race. The MOVIESTAR Quest competition is a race. And only the strong will survive. The AFROMUSIC Talent Show started on the 1st of October. That is the Season 2 of this competition started on the 1st of October. And then a lot of contestants registered. We had a lot of contestants. We had over 2,000 people who contacted us that they want to be a part of this competition. We successfully got about 179 contestants registered for this competition. And then 103 people submitted their content for this competition. And we processed and we moved towards the voting session. We had almost 50 contestants in the AFROMUSIC talent show who successfully voted in this competition. All right. And in the MOVIESTAR quest, we had about 70 contestants who registered for this competition. And also, we had about 30 people who submitted their video content and were ready for the competition. And sadly, in the MOVIESTAR quest, we had a very little number of people who voted. And on our list, we had about 8 or 9 people who voted for this competition. And today, only one person is emerging the winner in the MOVIESTAR quest, and also one person out of about 50-something contestants who actually voted is emerging the winner. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you are ready right now to listen to who actually is gonna be the winner. Before I unleash the winner, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a very special shout out to people, very committed contestants that were able to fight their way to the top and got to the target number of votes and exceeded it. I want to especially say a very big shout out to Mr. Ollie Frosh. This guy has actually tried his best from the day one of this competition. He has always fought to be on the top. And he is obviously one of our VIP contestants. So the next person I have to mention today that actually did fabulously well in the competition is Mr. Sam Speaker. Mr. Sam Speaker is actually one of the very, very talented singers in this competition who has actually also become our VIP contestant. The next person I want to mention today is Mr. John J. All right, Mr. John J has actually also struggled from the start of this competition and has actually ended up to become our VIP contestant. The next person I have to mention is Ruth Paul. Ruth Paul, a female gospel artist, she has actually proven to be a strong woman. And I salute you, Ruth Paul. You have tried. You are also one of our VIP contestants. The next person I have to talk about today is NBA OC. Mr. OC, you have tried. I did not see you coming, but look at you today, scoring above the target point. When the competition started, you were a little nervous, but listen, you kept on fighting and you kept on pushing. And look at you today, you're emerging as our VIP contestants. Salute to you. And the last person, but not the least, that I'm going to mention today is Mr. Piro Boy. Okay, so Piro Boy, you are also one of our VIP contestants. God bless you for struggling, for fighting, for believing in us, and for pushing yourself through this competition. We have about 7 VIP contestants who has actually scored exceedingly beyond the target vote, and we are proud of you. The rest of the contestants who have scored below 100 votes, which is actually our target votes, we are still proud of you. You've tried, and congratulations, because you have actually also been selected for the consolation prizes. And that means you're automatically under the management of Elegant Empire. You're still going to get some contract deals with us here in the Elegant Empire. So relax, because we've got you covered. All right. So all other contestants that have fallen below 30% of the votes, I am sorry, we've got nothing for you. We already stipulated in the guidelines of this competition that any contestants who will not end up becoming the winner should at least score 30% of the total votes for this competition, so you can be enlisted for the consolation prize in this competition. But a lot of people scored below 30%, and I'm sorry, we've got nothing for you. And remember guys, it's only the winner that is not eligible to contest in our next season. But as long as you have not yet been declared the winner of AFROMUSIC Talent Show, you are very much eligible to contest in the next season. And who knows, you may just be the winner of our season 3 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. So enough of the AFROMUSIC, let's go into the Movie Star Quest. In the Movie Star Quest, we have 4 contestants who have actually proven beyond every reasonable doubt that they are serious and committed. But just one out of all of these contestants in the Movie Star Quest have actually gone to the target vote and exceeded it. And the rest of them have actually tried their best. They are going to actually be selected for consolation prizes. So I just want to say a special shout out to Mr. Prosper Epidon for getting to the target votes and crossing it. Congratulations to you, Mr. Prosper. You are a winner. You are a fighter. You will continue to be on top and keep on breaking limits because you are actually beyond limits. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, today, it is my pleasure to announce to all and sundry, to viewers all over the world, that in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 2, we have... Wow, I can see your heart beating fast. So keep calm. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce the winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 2 to be no other person but Mr. Jim Bell. Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Bell has actually become the winner of the AFROMUSIC Season 2. And this Jim Bell of a guy was actually a contestant in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 1. And he came out to be the second runner-up. I didn't know that Jim Bell is so determined to take up the mantle of being the winner of this competition. So he came all out to contest in the second edition. And surprisingly, Jim Bell, in the dying minutes, came all out to show his strength, and he became the winner for the Season 2 of AFROMUSIC Talent Show, beating our very prominent Olive Frosh, which all of us thought Olive Frosh would be the winner of this season of this competition. But we didn't see Jim Bell coming. Jim Bell scored about 621 votes, beating Olive Frosh, who scored a total of 593 votes in this competition. Ladies and gentlemen, I thought it's going to be Olive Frosh, but little did I know that Jim Bell has a plan to strike out anybody who stands at the top and to become the winner. And that is the spirit of a fighter. That is the spirit of a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give it up to Jim Bell once again. Congratulations to you, Jim Bell, wherever you are. You are the winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 2. And I am so happy for you. I wish you the very best in your music career. You are a hero, and we respect you from the stables of the Elegant Empire Music and Films. Thank you very much for contesting in the second edition of this show. Thank you for not contesting and just being as one of the contestants, but for contesting and striking yourself to the top. You may not be our best singer. Yes, we said it in the start of this competition that we do not want the best singer, in quotes, but we want somebody who is ready to work hard, to work himself to the top, even if he or she is not the best singer. In life, the best people don't necessarily end up to be at the top. Just the strong, like I said in the beginning of this video. So, whoever you are, if you're ready to fight, if you're ready to work hard, you can reach stardom. Jim Bell should be as a challenge to you all out there to remember that talent is not enough. I am so talented. I have all the talent in the world. I have the best voice. Is not enough. You have to be ready to work hard and to be consistent with your work, to fight yourself to the top, because this is the only thing that will stand you out and give you the opportunity to win in life. And now to the movie star quest. Obviously, the candidate that has become the winner of this competition, the season 1 of the movie star quest, was actually a fighter from the start of this competition. He is not necessarily our best actor, but he performed exceedingly well in his performance, and he was one of our VIP actors who actually sent in one of the best performances in acting. And I didn't also know that this young man would be ready to fight himself to the top. From the day 1 of this competition, he has been struggling, and till the final day, which was yesterday, he kept on fighting and he became the winner and the only contestant who has actually gotten to the target number of votes and exceeded it. Ladies and gentlemen, with no much ado, you all already know this individual. His name is no other but Mr. Prosper Ikidon. You are the winner of the Movie Star Quest Season 1. I love you so much. I congratulate you. You are a fighter, you are a winner, and you will continue to win. Ladies and gentlemen, please let us give it up to Mr. Prosper Ikidon, winner of the Movie Star Quest Season 1. Congratulations to you, wherever you are. We love you from the stables of Elegant Empire Music and Films. Keep on winning. Never stop. This is just the beginning. Don't play. This is just the beginning. Keep on winning. So ladies and gentlemen, like we said before, we have other contestants that we have selected already for the consolation prizes. And ladies and gentlemen, very importantly, we also have an award of achievement to both the winner, the first runner-up, and the second runner-up in these 2 competitions. And then every contestant who their name appears for consolation prizes, both the winner, the first runner-up, the second runner-up, and other people who are going to be selected for the consolation prizes are going to be ready to be with us on the 11th of November, which is next week Saturday. Next week Saturday, 11th of November, we are going to be ready to host every contestant who has made it to be selected for the consolation prizes and the winner. We are going to be hosting you in our office for a brief get-together. So ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be with us. If you have scored up to 30% of your vote, prepare to be with us on Saturday, 11th of November. That is when we are going to be giving out the prizes. That is when you're going to start up your career activities with us here at the Elegant Empire. And that is when you're going to be backing yourself with an award of achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for watching this video to this point. We have come to the end of this season of these competitions. And we look out for you to be a part of the next season and to fight yourself to the top, because you only can stop yourself. No other person can stop you. Nothing in this life can stop you. You are the only one that can stop you. Ladies and gentlemen, my name remains Elegant Empire, and I am your host and the project director of AFROMUSIC Talent Show and the Movie Star Quest. See you in our next season for this competition. Remain blessed. Peace.